Hello everyone, this is Karan here. You are welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. So in this video, we are gonna take a look at CesiumOS custom ROM based on Android 10 for Redmi Note 8. This is the best ever Android 10 based custom ROM for this device I have ever used. You got a lot of features, not extra customization options, but many useful features like the most asked question like app lock and also some other things. You got the CesiumOS version 2.5.1 unofficial with security patch of 5th of February 2020 based on Android 10 with Google Play System Android 10. What are the things you get in this custom ROM and Google camera working or not? What is the Geekbench score? Everything in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let's get straight to the video. Okay, as always, straight away take a look at the home screen with home launcher. You can see the wallpaper straight away with CesiumOS hashtag get active. This is the ROM, and by swiping right you get this Google feed option, which is perfectly working. You just have to sign in with your Google account. Also, Google apps are pre-installed in this custom ROM. You don't have to install these apps manually, Google apps package manually. Just swipe down, you can see these quick setting tiles which are looking perfect. Just edit from here, and these are the quick setting tiles which you can edit, add or remove from here. And the options, columns, landscape, reset, only these things are available. Something you have to notice, like the brightness bar is like Miui 11. You can enable it from settings, which is also a great thing to have. Another main thing, app lock running in background. I have not installed the third-party app lock. This is inbuilt, which was very much asked in the custom ROMs, and now it is available, so I think you will love this ROM. Now let's take a look some other things. ANX camera. This is a stock camera which you get in this ROM is ANX camera with almost working things. The photo mode is perfectly working. It is written 64 megapixel, and this is our 48 megapixel. You can see 48 megapixel Ultra HD is on, which is perfectly working. Portrait mode is perfectly working, so you get the MI stock camera in a custom ROM which is perfectly working. Wait, let me show you some other things. This is the macro which is working, but wide angle is not working. If wide angle is not working, you have to compromise with that, but all other things are properly working. Just go and front cam 48 megapixel, portrait, photo, video, night mode, everything is working. So there's another positive point. You get the MI stock camera in a custom ROM with working app lock and some other MIUI look like things. That's why it is called the best ever Android 10 ROM. Also get the stock filling, and there's a Google camera which is also perfectly working. Just go and click photos, portrait, camera, video, everything is working. Just go and try this out. Now let's take a look at the Geekbench score. Now the Geekbench score which you get is a very good Geekbench score. 313 is a single core score, which was normally 311 or 312, and in this room you get the 313. Multi-core score is also 1350, 60. Only these type of things you get in this room. 1378. This is great. Almost everything is perfect, and almost everything is a great thing. Perfect results in all these things. Geekbench score, GCam, and all other things. So another plus point, just go and try this ROM out. Now let's take a look at some settings features. Network and internet, as always, everything is same. I'm not going to show you the simple things which you already get in Android 10 based ROMs or on the custom ROMs. In battery, you have the option of adaptive battery, which is perfectly working. Battery percentage option is working, which you want in your header. You can enable it from here. Display, you have the option of night rate and adaptive brightness. In styles and wallpapers, you don't get any other extra style, only a single style, but you can customize according to your own preferences. Clock styles are only 3 or 4 as default. You get Android 10 based ROMs. Dark theme option is available. There is an option of rotation, which is a good thing. You can choose auto rotate screen to 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees or 270 degrees in whichever mode you want. This, anything, which is perfect again. Hide notch option is available, another good thing, and all other things are almost same. Sound, storage, privacy, location, all things are almost same. When you go to security, you have these options: Google Play, Protect, Find My Device, Security Update. You can update from here. Just go and click here and you will see the system update, which you can check for update and update your device. Google Play system update is also available. Screen lock, fingerprint, and this is another thing, app lock, which is the main highlighted feature of this ROM. Just go and create your pattern, whichever you have used. You can add apps or remove apps from here, whichever apps you like. And when you go to settings, you have the option of these things, which you can enable and disable from here. Unfortunately, you don't have the option of fingerprint yet, but I think you will soon get this update. In the next build you will get the fingerprint option too, but until then just compromise with the pattern lock. But at least there is an app lock in pixel based or AOSP based custom ROM, inbuilt app lock finally, which is a great thing. Our device is encrypted, you get the fingerprint option, and the main thing is whenever you install this ROM in pitch black custom recovery, you have to format data, so it means your device will be encrypted, fingerprint will work, definitely work for you. Accounts, accessibility, all other things are almost same accessibilities. Digital well-being is available, which is another good thing, and perfectly working system. In about phone, Android 10 based, you can see the CesiumOS version. And now let's take a look at some features of this custom ROM. Status bar, only icons option are there, which you can enable or disable from here. You can see the VoLTE icon, it means VoLTE is perfectly working. Show net activity in status bar and double tap to sleep, only these options you get. When you go to lock screen, fingerprint, authentication, vibration, media, artwork, these only options you get. UI tuner, you have the option of brightness slider at bottom or Miui style brightness slider like this, which I have enabled, and it is looking good. It means it looks like you are using a theme in your Miui 11 device, which is a good thing, a good feeling of Miui stock ROM in a custom ROM with working things is a perfect combination as you ever expect in an Android 10 based custom ROM for Redmi Note 8. Replace clear all text with nice button, data usage, blur behind quick settings, refresh screenshot animation, force higher aspect ratio, and dashboard suggestions. These are the things you get in the UI tuner. Other else like notifications, ambient light option is available, like edge lighting for notifications, which is another positive point. Hide smart replies if you don't want like those smart quick replies, whenever you get a message from Google Messages app or other notifications like smart replies, whichever supports smart replies option. Timeout, snooze timer, noisy notifications, and in-call vibration options are available. Navigation and button, invert layout, power menu, which you can customize from here, advanced restart, screenshot options, playback control option is available, and at last about. These are the features and extra things you get in this custom ROM. This is all from this ROM. Let me show you the installation process quickly. Just simply boot into custom recovery. I'll recommend you to use pitch black custom recovery, but if you want to use TWRP or Orange Fox, that's your opinion. There is no force for you. You can use whichever recovery you want to use to flash this custom ROM. Okay, there are no conditions in this. Just boot into custom recovery, wait for it. Okay, here I am encrypted, that's why it will show me this type of storage, so I will not show you how to install. Simply go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik cache, system vendor data, swipe to wipe. Okay, just go back, go to install, locate where you have downloaded that file, select that file, swipe to flash. Okay, Google apps are pre-built, don't have to install, and simply after that reboot system. If it is booting back to custom recovery or if you are not booting up, simply go to wipe, format data YAS and click on OK, and it will format your data. This is how you can install this custom ROM on a device, and your device will be boot up properly. This is all from today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video soon.